Hi, I'm Shelle Rose Charvet, and I'm delighted to be coming on Sunday morning at the NLP conference to do an interactive workshop on coaching techniques. Are you ready to gear up your coaching and perhaps your psychotherapy with techniques that you can use that will really help you understand your clients and have a bigger impact and have them go away understanding what they've learned and the progress they've made? So, like, for example, how do you know what meta programs had to be meta programs with me? What lab profile patterns or meta programs do your clients have when they're in a stuck state? What are the typical combination patterns they have when they're stuck? And what do you need to do about it? What are the conversational techniques? We're going to be looking at some of my newest experiments, and you're going to get a chance to try them out with yourself and with a partner and give feedback on them. We also want to hear from you about what your techniques are. What have you learned? What are the hacks you've learned over the years that you've been working with people? So this is an advanced workshop. We're assuming, or I'm assuming, since I'm the one leading it, that you know about NLP and you've had some experience or a lot of experience in working with clients. So we're going to be looking at some spatial things, some verbal things, all around techniques. And the idea is that we do some training. We actually practice and do feedback. So you're going to get a chance to be the subject and the intervener. Is that a word? Intervener, facilitator, coach, therapist, whatever it is. And we're going to laugh a lot and get a lot of energy. So some of the exercises will be done sitting down and some standing up if you can do that. So I really look forward to seeing you for 90 minutes of fast-paced learning that are really going to hone your coaching skills verbally, non-verbally, and spatially. Looking forward to it. See you there.